Hello all, I welcome you all for this first session of the webinar, which we will be conducting for the next 4 days. So, as you are all well aware, today is Women's Day and 8th of March is celebrated as Women's Day all over the globe. This is done to celebrate women's right and gender equality, and to spread awareness about it to all the women around. We at Healthy Nudges wish to help the women make informed choices about their health and well-being. Why we want to do this is because women have to balance many aspects of life, especially the personal life, the professional life, the family life, and the children, the home front, everything balance. So we with these sessions, we are aiming to make women aware. They should make their health their priority and their well-being their priority in order to prevent diseases and to live a healthy, happy life. So I welcome you again to the first session of this 4-day seminar, and the session is about menopausal care. Dr. Charu will be talking about the medical care. I am the nutritionist. I'll be talking about the diet care, and Pooja here is the yoga therapist, yoga expert. She'll be talking about the yoga exercises that we have to do for the care of our life. And then we will be having a special session of tarot card reading by Miss Ritu. So welcome you all again. And now I will talk a little bit about our panelists and introduce you to them. First of all, the panelists are Dr. Charu. She's a leading gynecologist. I'm Sunita. I'm a senior nutritionist. And then we have yoga. We have Pooja, who's the yoga expert. And then we have Miss Ritu. She is the tarot card reader. About Dr. Charu, she has an experience about 24 years in this field. And the best part is that she has worked from the grassroots level, and her clients are from all the spectrum of society. She is a compassionate and dedicated doctor, which is a rarity in this today's time. She is very dedicated to her work, and many of her patients, I had a chance to counsel many of her patients and talk to them, and I have always found that her patients speak very highly of her, and she is very active in the field of social service as well. And the best part is that she does not believe only in the medical therapy but in the holistic approach to the treatment, and always talks about a pill-free and stress-free life. I am Sunita Roy Chaudhary. I'm a nutritionist with an experience of 35 years in the field. I have worked very closely with a lot of patients in and out of India in many hospitals. So basically, I'm a clinical nutritionist, but I have worked in the field of research work also. I've done a lot. I have trained a lot of nutritionists whom I have, who are working in various industries these days, food processing, nutraceuticals, and many hospitals all over the world. And then I'll talk about Miss Pooja. She is our yoga expert. She has done various certificate courses from in yoga from many reputed universities such as Moraji Desai and Patanjali Yoga Peeth from Haridwar, and is presently pursuing her master's in yoga. She has more than 4 years experience in the field, and the best thing that I like about her is that she has promoted and proven that the punishment that our ancestors gave to children, like murga and kan pakad, all these are not punishments but actually exercises that improve concentration, brain health, and memory. So and her motto is Karo Yog Raho Nirog. And then Miss Ritu is our tarot card reader. She has been practicing this for the past 3 years, and she became a healer because she wanted to help humankind in some way. And although she is a certified tarot card reader and healer, she had a very intuitive nature from the very childhood. So she helps people overcome their physical, emotional, and financial obstacles. Divine path is the purest path to follow, and Ritu believes in following that only. Now, to mark the start of the session, I would just say, dear ladies, your health is an investment and not an expense. I hand over the mic to Dr. Charu.
Thank you, Sunita, for this kind introduction and inviting me here on this very special occasion of Women's Day. A very good evening to all of you and a very happy Women's Day to all of us. So on this very special day, I'll be talking about a very important phase of a woman's life, that is the menopause. So before starting to talk about menopause, I have a small question for all of you. See, I suggest two situations in front of you. In situation A lady has some unexpected guests at home and she's just not prepared to entertain them and welcome. And in situation B, you have guests, but this time you're really prepared. There's a well-planned and organized dinner laid for them. So out of the two, which situation do you feel is calming, stress-free, and smooth? Yes, no guesses. The situation, definitely.
Yeah.
So this is how I want you to understand about menopause. So menopause is a definite guest, is in every woman's life. So now when our body and minds are prepared to welcome this guest, the onward journey is going to be smooth, stress-free, without any problems. But otherwise, if you are not prepared, the list of problems is really huge. So now, before learning, how do we prepare for menopause? हमें ये जानना बहुत menopause is not a disease. Menopause is a physiological term. Now, it's a natural process. It's a natural phenomena that occurs in the life of every woman, say around the age of 40 till 52 or 55 max. So why does this actually happen? This happens because under the effect of brain hormones, our ovaries are normally producing the female hormones, the estrogen and progesterone. So around 40, the ovaries start decreasing the synthesis of these hormones. And gradually, जैसे जैसे ये hormones कम होते जाते हैं, हमारी menstrual cycles irregular हो जाती हैं, eggs बनना बंद हो जाते हैं, और बहुत सारे effects आने लगते हैं जो कि estrogen के decline की वजह से होते हैं. So now थोड़ा सा इन दो main hormones के बारे में जानते हैं. So estrogen and progesterone. See, today is a Women's Day, so as we are celebrating womanhood, तो मैं estrogen और progesterone को ऐसे बोलना चाहूंगी कि our woman, estrogen and progesterone, our womanhood is actually because of these two hormones. Our beauty, our charm, our delicacy, our curves, our beautiful hair, our strength, our emotions, our strong heart, our bones, we all owe it to estrogen. So इस हिसाब से what is estrogen to us? Estrogen becomes our best friend, our companion, our protector, right from the age of menarche. Now what is menarche? Menarche is actually the time when a girl first starts. Estrogen as a hormone is with us for almost 4 decades. So now just imagine a situation in which your best friend or companion says a permanent goodbye to you. So you are distorted, you are distressed. So exactly this happens to our body when estrogen comes and says, it's time for me to leave. So let's quickly understand estrogen के जाने से हमारी body में होता क्या है. So let's, everything happens right from head to toe. So quickly, I'll try to explain starting from the top. So starting from the top, the head, let's first try to get inside our head. Inside the head, it's our brain. Believe me, brain does not like the menopausal period at all. Brain चिड़चिड़ा हो जाता है, brain को अच्छा नहीं लगता, brain को गुस्सा आता है, we become irritable, we have our mood swings, we start having a feeling of dejection, ऐसा लगता है कोई हमारी परवाह नहीं करता, हम सबके लिए करते हैं. So all sorts of negative emotions start popping up because of so much of emotional turmoils, and for other hormonal reasons many females start getting menopausal headaches also. Then besides this, vasomotor symptoms also come, like hot flushes, which is a very common symptom and one of the earliest symptoms of menopause. Suddenly gaal garam ho jate hain, you start sweating profusely, right? These things are managed well by supplements and isoflavones. But if the symptoms are severe, ज़्यादा problem होती है, तो हम लोगों को hormonal replacement therapy भी देनी पड़ती है. Then let's come outside our brain box and concentrate on the head. See, we know what problems we have on the head. बाल झड़ते हैं. We have male pattern like baldness and thinning of the hair. Do come what may, you may do anything. You may try the most expensive shampoos or conditioners, or you take spas, but this is not going to be relief because it's hormonal, right? Then let's descend. Eyes. See, we all need reading glasses after the age of 40, 42, 45. We have accommodation problem. Focus में problem होती है. So that again becomes a source of your headaches. और नीचे आते हैं, we have our oral cavity. Teeth become brittle, the enamel starts becoming weak, and you start getting sudden tooth fractures. So be very cautious in menopausal period if you really eat something very hard, right? Then face, no need to talk about the face. We all know what happens to our face. We have fine lines, we have pigmentations, and so many other problems. We have facial hair. बहुत ज़्यादा facial hair आता है किसी में, and some problems also. That is because of the androgen axis during the perimenopause period. Let's descend further. We have heart. See now, according to statistics, our heart, the men are more prone to heart problems. See, men look strong, but we females have a stronger heart. Always remember that. And that, again, we owe it to our estrogen. Estrogen is cardioprotective in nature. How is it so? See, estrogen lowers the cholesterol levels. It maintains the healthy lipids. The HDLs are maintained really well. So that is how estrogen makes the things cardioprotective. But after menopause, females are almost equally prone to heart problems. So please take care of your heart very nicely. Let's और नीचे उतरते हैं. We have our abdomen, right? पहले हम लोग abdomen के अंदर चलते हैं. So inside the abdomen, we have our intestines, our stomach, our liver, gallbladder, right? So we have a lot of problems there also. See, if you are in a lot of stress, you will have the hyperacidity syndrome. बहुत acidity रहती है. That leads to a lot of digestive problems. And then one of the commonest problems that females have is they feel bloated most of the time, right? लगता है कि पेट बाहर आ रहा है खाने के बाद. You have a lot of heaviness around, gaseous problems, and constipation problems also arise. That is because the BMR decreases and the whole system starts becoming dull, right? Now let's come outside. Now comes the biggest and the most bothering problem for females in the menopausal period. Your waistline increases. Isn't it the biggest problem we all have? Well, I take a positive point from this. Like when the waistline increases, suddenly all of us become very alarmed and we start hitting the gyms, we go for walks, we join running, we join marathons. So this is a slight advantage of having a bigger waistline. You start to exercise. But practically speaking, the bigger the waistline, the shorter the lifeline. We often hear that. Why is it so exactly? In the younger periods, when the female is obese, there is more fat deposition around her hips and thighs. But around the menopause, when the androgen is high, there is redistribution of the fat, और midsection में fat deposition होता है, and lot of visceral fat deposition is also there. Visceral fat means internal organs के चारों तरफ fat deposit होता है. And remember, this type of fat deposition is just not healthy. Why? Because it is highly risk factor for problems like diabetes, hypertension, cardiovascular problems, and brain strokes. So please pay a lot of attention to your waistline because it affects our looks also and our health internally also. Chalo, now let's move further down. Now comes our pelvic region, the pelvis. So what does the pelvis hold? Pelvis holds the bladder, the uterus, and piche, the lower part of the large intestine. So, and niche, the pelvis is supported by the pelvic muscles. So, pelvic muscles are actually, they support the entire system and especially to the pelvic organs. So, when the whole system is becoming weak, the pelvic muscles also start losing their strength. Now, it's important to note, females who have been exercising, taking good diet, and doing a lot of good workouts, their pelvic are strong. But people not exercise, their pelvic strength really decreases very fast. And when the pelvic muscles, the strength decreases, so there is a lot of heaviness. All the pelvic organs start sagging. So this is a source of constant backache and heaviness. Patients बहुत commonly complain करते हैं नीचे भारी भारी लगता है हर समय. So there is no infection there. There is the weakness of the musculature that is actually giving pain in your lower region. So besides the pelvic muscles, there is weakness in your urogenital epithelium and vasculature. That is the linings of the vagina, the urethra, that is the opening of the bladder. All these things also become weak. Now, how does it affect you? See, let us talk about the bladder first, right? Bladder really starts misbehaving, believe me, during the menopause, and it is one of the most distressing symptoms during menopause. Hota kya hai when the urogenital epithelium becomes weak, urethral mucosa, urethra ki lining weak hoti hai, so you really become prone to urinary tract infections, right? And then if diabetes sets in, then it really creates problems. Then the bladder strength decreases, so bladder capacity bhi decrease ho jati hai, so frequency बढ़ जाती है. Then there is one term to understand, incontinence. Incontinence means बिना desire के there is the urine comes out. इसमें भी दो तरह की problems होती हैं. There is a term which we call stress incontinence. जब भी आप this is not the other stress, it is when the abdominal pressure increases. जैसे आपने छींका, आपको खांसी आई, आपने कोई बहुत भारी चीज उठाई या आप बहुत जोर से हंसे, तो few drops of urine leak out. ये इसलिए होता है बिकॉज एंगल्स भी डिस्टॉर्ट हो जाते हैं, जो मसल्स हैं, स्फिंक्टर्स हैं, वो भी वीक हो जाते हैं. Then there is the other incontinence that is called the urge incontinence. You have an urge to urinate. By the time you reach the washroom, you are partially wet. So isn't it very distressing? Because of these symptoms, women shy out to move in public. They avoid social gatherings and they feel very, very embarrassed about it. It is one of the biggest problems. And believe me, if you have not been in a very exercising mode, this problem comes to one and all, right? Now, let's talk about the uterus. So uterus becomes one of the first visit when the uterine problem. In case of uterine problems, you have menorrhagia, means zyada bleeding hoti hai, jaldi periods aate hain. So all these things are very, very disturbing. See, to quite some extent, these things can be managed by hormonal treatment. आजकल Mirena भी insert करते हैं. This is a hormonal this is a hormonal device. But if these things do not respond, you have to go in for hysterectomies. Right. Now, continuing with the uterus is the vagina. Right. Now, vaginal epithelium becomes weak because of fallen estrogen. And estrogen नहीं होता तो जो normal bacterial flora, healthy bacteria जो vagina में होते, वो भी खत्म हो जाते हैं. Because of this, the vaginal epithelium becomes weak, it becomes dry, it gives you a very uncomfortable feeling. There is vaginal itching inside. And because of so much of dryness and falling of estrogen, the intercourse becomes very, very painful. So there is a lot of loss of interest in the sexual activities as well. Okay, now this completes our pelvic region. And let's descend further. Up comes the bones, the long bones, right? So believe me, bones, this is the most important problematic area during menopause. We all are very familiar with the term osteoporosis. So why do we have so many problems with the bones? See, estrogen is very, very bone protective. Bone synthesis में, bone remodeling में estrogen का बहुत important role होता है. And we tend to neglect our bones because we cannot see them. In fact, we will never see our bones, but remember, others will, at some point of time, others will always see our bones. So isn't it important to keep them beautiful and healthy so that others feel good that yes, she lived a healthy life, right? So now something very interesting. Around the age of 40, females और कुछ करें नहीं करें, as soon as they enter their 40s, they start popping up calcium pills. कुछ भी पूछो, हाँ हम calcium लेते हैं. So bone health is not just popping up calcium pills. Bone health is something really more than that. For nice bones, you need a proper amount of good calcium supplements, definitely. Then you need very good amount of vitamin D. You need to maintain your vitamin D क्योंकि vitamin D की presence में ही calcium अच्छे से absorb होता है. You need good amount of magnesium. You need good amount of protein diet. You need good amount of you need good amount of vitamin K2 as well. And इन सबसे ज़्यादा भी बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ी चीज जरूरी है, that is the strength exercises. Good amount of workouts for your bones. So if you have all, the entire package, only then your bones will be healthy. Otherwise, calcium that you are taking will do more harm to your system than rather benefiting, right? Now, one more important symptom that we all, around 40% females face is insomnia. What is insomnia? See, the sleep disturbances are very, very common during menopause. Many females say कि रात भर जगे रहते हैं, नींद नहीं आती है. Some say कि बहुत देर में नींद आती है. For some, it is not a sound sleep at all. And for some, आधी रात को नींद खुल जाती है. All in all, the sleep is not healthy at all. So see, sleep is a time period in the day when the body repairs itself. When the body and mind rejuvenate, they really prepare themselves for the challenges of the next day. So if your sleep pattern is disturbed, the body slowly starts going in a stress mode. Stress mode means body slowly cortisol release करती रहती है, and mind it, all the symptoms जो मैंने आपको अब तक समझाए हैं वो सारे aggravate हो जाते हैं, सारे दिखने लगते हैं. So sleep disturbance are really that. See, if you are sleep deprived, सारी जगह दर्द होता है, you lose your energy. So sleep problems are also very, very important part of menopausal problems. So in short, I have given you an overview of all the general menopausal problems. I hope आप लोगों को इतनी problems सुन के menopause से डर नहीं लग रहा होगा, right? I hope I have not scared you. See, it's certainly not like that, because no two menopause are same. No two females will have exactly the same menopausal symptoms, and it is not necessary that every female will have all the described symptoms. In some symptoms are prominent, and in some other symptoms. And now again, if you lead a stress-free life, if you are exercising, if you are taking good diet, all of these things are very subtle. They come quietly and they go away quietly, right? So, and another important thing which I really want to explain, that menopause is a very gradual process. Unless and until you need to have hysterectomy and your ovaries are removed suddenly, menopause is spread over a considerable time. Like 4-5-6 साल लगते हैं hormones को decrease करने में. So by the time body knows to adapt well. So if you are leading a healthy life, the body अपने आप को इन changes के लिए adapt करती जाती है, तो इतनी problem actually nahi hoti hai. So now let's come to a different aspect of menopause. See, we are living in those times when we have a lot of information and we are very conscious of our health, right? But still, why is it like that the menopausal problems are on the rise? क्यों बढ़ती जा रही है menopausal problem जब हमको सब चीजें मालूम है? So the real reason is, see, we are leading very, very stressful lives. So now for a moment, let's compare our menopause to the menopause of our moms and our grandmoms. See, थोड़ा पीछे चलते हैं, मुझे नहीं याद आता my mom ever complained anything more than hot flushes. See, menopause in those days was less demanding, menopause was shy, you know, and menopause was quiet. And if अगर आज हम लोग अपने आप को देखते हैं, तो सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम कहाँ से शुरू हुई है कि वी आर गेटिंग मैरिड लेट. सी, जब हमारी नानी दादी को मेनोपॉज हुआ था, तो दे वर लीडिंग अ वेरी सेटल्ड लाइफ. बाय द टाइम दे हैड मेनोपॉज, बच्चों की शादी हो चुकी होती थी एंड बहुएं आ चुकी होती थी. सो बाय एंड लार्ज थिंग्स वर क्वाइट सेटल्ड. दे डिड नॉट हैव टू मच टू बॉदर एंड सेट थिंग्स राइट. Now let's look our perimenopausal period. See, we are getting marriages are late, बच्चे लेट पैदा होते हैं. So by the time we are in our perimenopausal period, what is happening exactly? Our kids, our daughters and sons are having their own set of hormonal problems. They are in their teenage, so they are having their own tantrums. So there is तूफान अंदर भी है, emotional problems and बाहर भी है. And अगर बच्चे थोड़े से और बड़े हैं, so the biggest problems that moms are facing to the competitive era of the period of children. If the kids are in 11th and 12th, the moms ko kuch nahi dikhta. They are so ambitious that they really want that their kids should go in the best colleges. So this costs them a lot, believe me. So now another good aspect of today's women is that she is taking good care of her parents also. She's taking good care of her in-laws and she's taking good care of parents. So that adds to her responsibility, right? Now, today's women, most of them are working. So there is a lot of stress on the work front also. She's very ambitious. She's rather over-ambitious. She wants to prove that she's the best in every area. So that is fine. But this costs a lot. What is she missing out in all this? She's best in all the areas, but she's missing out her peace. She's missing out her health. She's missing out the self-care, which is maximally needed in the perimenopausal period. Believe me, if you handle your perimenopausal period well, menopause will be very, very sweet and quiet. But we miss out all this, right? Now let's study, understand this with a small example. Let's call this sort of superwoman, let's call her Jenny. So let's understand. Now, Jenny is a very, very smart woman who's doing everything. She's doing good for her kids. She's doing good for her family, in-laws, work. She's a smart woman. But because she's doing so much, she doesn't have time. She misses her meals because she's running to the office. And then she just don't have time for exercise, right? And she's all the time, the performance pressure is so much that she's all the time under stress. Now she ignores. Now, another important thing, a sentence to remember, every symptom and every disease does not happen overnight. Every problem first whispers to you. It quietly tells, see, there is a problem. See, there is a problem. But we ignore these whispers. And then when these problems shout and scream, you suddenly wake up and start rushing. You go to the best hospitals, you get the best investigation. But remember, the damage has already begun. So now Jenny suddenly has all the menopausal problems. They start popping up. So suddenly she's so this is happening to me. This is happening to me. So now what Jenny does, she starts, if she has headache and she's feeling depressed, she'll go and visit a neurologist. She'll visit a psychiatrist. See, we are living in a super specialty era. We have organ specialists. So and we all are educated. For GI symptoms, we'll visit a gastroenterologist, nothing less than that. For uro problems, we'll visit a urologist. If my heart is beating fast, I'll immediately rush to a cardiologist. So Jenny starts this. So now she has a big files. So now in case of Jenny, she's receiving the best organ treatment. So somebody is taking good care of her heart, somebody is taking good care of her brain, taking good care of her uterus. But who is looking after Jenny as a whole? Well, so this is my whole idea. Nobody will look after you, mind you. Only Jenny can look after Jenny. Nobody else can take care of a Jenny. So the whole purpose of today's talk is that please, guys, wake up. It's high time you hear your whispers and take good care of yourself, and don't depend too much on the modern medicines, because modern medicines know to repair you, they know to fix you, they will not take you to the roots. They will not. I can mend your periods by giving you hormones, but how to get back to the root cause, which is coming as stress in you? So, so we have a nice team here who will guide you how to approach towards your health. But before concluding, I have something to say on Women's Day. Let's understand menopause in a different way. See, menopause is me, no pause. That means I will not pause. I will never pause when it comes to self-love and self-care. Thank you so much. Now over to Sunita and Pooja, who will guide you very beautifully regarding a balanced diet and good exercises. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dr. Charu. In her talk, Dr. Charu has clearly pointed out me no pause, meaning I will not pause. But what I would want to add to it is this is the time to take an assessment of your lifestyle and make required changes. So, Dr. Charu has already given the symptoms. So, let me take one by one whatever symptoms are there and whatever lifestyle changes according to that are required. First of all, Dr. Charu said that there is depletion of estrogen. Yes, estrogen starts depleting and we feel the burnt of it. So there are certain foods that have phytoestrogens. Phytoestrogens have mild estrogenic effect and help in relieving the menopausal functions. For example, soya bean, chickpea, then flax seeds, chia seeds, grapes, berries, tomatoes, even green tea. They all have flavons, which are phytoestrogens and help to relieve the certain symptoms of menopause. It is required that the women increase protein intake in their diet because that helps in bone mineralization and also in reducing weight. So, including cheese, milk products. Then people who are non-vegetarian, they can add lean meats, poultry, etc. in their diet is very good. They can also include tofu. Another point here is that foods that are rich in proteins also many a times contain calcium, like milk and milk products, and even poultry, cheese, and yogurt. These also contain calcium and other minerals such as phosphorus, magnesium, manganese, etc. So all these minerals are actually important for the mineralization of the bone. That is help in relieving the symptoms of osteoporosis. So there are other foods that are needed for calcium also. That is almonds and walnuts are good. Walnuts are also good for brain function. They help us in improving our memory. So certain nuts and roasted seeds like almonds and roasted seeds, roasted chana, whey water. In seeds, we can use poppy seeds, pumpkin seeds, sesame seeds. All these seeds can be added. At the end, I'll tell a recipe with these seeds. So these seeds can be added to the diet. Apart from this, these seeds are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are very good for the brain health as well as overall health of the women. And even fatty fish or sea fish contain these omega-3 fatty acids. Apart from these seeds like flax seeds, chia seeds, and pumpkin seeds, walnuts, all these contain good amount of omega-3 fatty acids. The omega-3 fatty acids reduce inflammation. But one thing is very important is that whenever we are taking vitamin D or any other fat soluble vitamin, that has to be taken with some amount of fat. You can take some amount of seeds, which I spoke about, which are rich in oils, and milk, which may not be full cream, but which has some amount of cream in it, because vitamin D and vitamin K will not be absorbed. And if that is vitamin D is taken along with calcium, then only it will be very helpful. Actually, we all hear about taking a lot of milk when we are told calcium, but most of us become intolerant to lactose. So it is a good thing to take curd, buttermilk, then lassi. To include these things in diet would be really helpful. And another thing is whey protein. Normally, at times we make paneer at home. So what we can do is we throw the water that comes out of it, or we make makhan at home and we throw the lassi or chaach that remains behind. That is what whey is. That is very important. You don't want to have it like that, don't have it like that. Add to your dal, add to your atta, मेक योर डो विद इट. उससे आटा गूंदने से वो वे की जो प्रोटीन्स हैं, उसके अंदर जो अच्छी क्वालिटीज है, वो आपको, और वो डाइजेस्ट भी हो जाएंगे आपको, वो आपको इंटॉलरेंस भी नहीं देंगी. सो यू कैन ऐड दोज. Apart from that, for depression and all, walnuts are good, almonds are good. They have high quantity of vitamin E also, so they will be good for your skin also. So those skin problems that you are having. And another thing that is important is iron. So if we are taking green leafy vegetables, lot of green leafy vegetables and lentils in our diet, and that is very good. I spoke about proteins, calcium, vitamin D, and then I spoke about high fiber diet, and iron. And one of the most important things is to remain hydrated. If we keep drinking water, one thing will be that we'll not be eating a lot. We'll not be eating a lot. And then the second thing is we will not be we will be flushing out all the toxins that are there in the body. So that is another important aspect. I spoke about the trigger foods, so we have to cut down on a lot of chocolates, carbonated beverages, tea, coffee. Most of us are very used to of taking tea, coffee 3 to 4 times in a day, and that too we keep boiling the tea leaves with milk and sugar and everything. That needs to be avoided. You can take green tea, and the best way to make green tea is to steep the leaves for 3 to 5 minutes in water that is just before the boiling point, and leave them for 5 to 7 minutes, and then take that liquor. One can add lemon or honey to it, and that would be really good. Very important is to take small and frequent meals. I'll stop with saying that there is I'll give you a very nice recipe that will help you reduce your constipation, that will give you a lot of calcium also, and that will be having some amount of protein and omega-3 fatty acids. So roast almonds, roast soya bean, roast chana. You can add poppy seeds, that is khaskhas, sesame seeds, along with pumpkin seeds, melon seeds, and saunf, and grind them and keep them in a jar next to your bed, and you can have them at night along with, if you can tolerate milk, with a glass of milk, or even with warm water. That will relieve you of your constipation definitely, and will give you a lot many nutrients that we have spoken about. Dr. Charu was saying that you will be telling about kaun se nutrients lene hain, but talk about how to take them. So I have given you one example that this is how you can take it. We tend to eat a lot of savories. Namkeen ka packet khola, bhook lagi, namkeen ka packet ya biscuit kha liya. It is better to take almonds. It is better to take yogurt, fruits, fresh fruits and vegetables. So best thing is keep them in your house. Keep those things in your house that are good for you. So do not stock those things that need to be avoided. Even if your guests come, give them those things only. चाय पिलाने के बजाय आप green tea, नींबू पानी पिला सकते हो. छाछ पिला सकते हो. Those are the small tips that, sorry, I can give it to you. So these are the things that we can do to reduce the problems that we face during menopause. I am with you in the same boat. We all will pass through this stage, and we all are going to face some or the other problem. Thank you very much. What I'll do is I'll now request Pooja.
Thank you so much, Dr. Charu and Sunita ma'am. It was such a wonderful session, and we are enlightened with such a good knowledge today. So, as Dr. Charu said, we should practice disciplined lifestyle. We should have a good diet in our regular practice. So this will improve our problems, which is going to come in future. So it is said, I will start my session with wishing you all happy Women's Day to everybody. Hem Dukam Anagatam. It is said in Patanjali Yoga Sutra, chapter 2, verse 16, that let us avoid such miseries which is about to come. Menopause, अगर आपकी लाइफ में नहीं आया है, but being a female, ये कभी ना कभी तो आएगा ही. So let's prepare ourselves for that challenge which is going to come. या फिर आप उस एज में है तो let us prepare ourselves to prepare our body to face that problem with full confidence, with full strength in our body and face this pass as well. जैसे कि आपने childbirth को face किया, menstrual cycle को face किया. Being a female, we have lots of things in life we face. So let's fight this thing as well. So I will be talking about pelvic strength, जैसे कि डॉक्टर चारू ने बताया था. Some of the yogasanas today. I will be talking about hot flush. उसके लिए आप instantly क्या कर सकते हैं जब आपको बहुत ही ज्यादा गर्मी लगती है. I will be talking about some of the asan which will help you about the जो आपका mood swing होता है. So I will be starting with the standing postures right now. If you want that, so you can stand in samsthiti. I will be talking about the Tadasana, which is very good for the flexibility, bone strength. And because we would be standing and doing this stretching, it strengthens up the spine as well. So we stand in the samsthiti like this, while inhaling, go up, stand on your toes, look in front, सामने की तरफ देखेंगे एक टाइम को, toes पे खड़े होंगे, inhale करते हुए, maintain this posture for 5 breaths. Come down while exhaling. Relax. इसको आप 3 to 5 times कर सकते हैं. Next आसन, I will be talking about कोणासन, त्रिकोणासन and पार्श्वकोणासन. अगर आप पार्श्वकोण नहीं भी कर पाते हैं तो आप ये दोनों आसन कर सकते हैं. इसमें आपने पैरों को साथ में ही रखना है. अपने राइट हैंड को ऊपर लेकर जाएंगे और लेफ्ट साइड इनहेल करेंगे. एक्सहेल करते हुए I'll go back little bit. एक्सहेल करते हुए लेफ्ट साइड को बेंड करेंगे. Just feel this stretch on the right side. Make sure when you are bending, तो कई लोग क्या करते हैं पूरा ऐसे हो जाते हैं. Make sure you feel this stretch and आपका जो posture है वो बिल्कुल straight रहे. You just have to feel this stretch at the waistline. Inhale, come back. We'll do it from the other side. आप हर आसन को 3 to 5 times कर सकते हैं. Inhale, exhale करते हुए left side. Maintain this posture for 5 breaths. You can close your eyes. Feel the stretch. हर आसन को ब्रेथ के साथ करने से ही हमें बहुत सारे बेनिफिट्स होते हैं. इनहेल करते हुए वापस. इसको भी आप 3 to 5 टाइम्स कर सकते हैं. यहाँ त्रिकोण आसन करेंगे. पैरों को हल्का सा खोलेंगे. इनहेल करेंगे. एक्सहेल करते हुए लेफ्ट साइड जाएंगे. मेक श्योर आपने अपने बाहर नहीं लेकर जाना है. जस्ट होल्ड योर वेस्ट लाइन लाइक दिस. जैसे कि डॉक्टर चारू ने बताया था कि हमारी जो वेस्ट लाइन है बढ़ने लगती है. सो दिस विल हेल्प यू मेंटेन योर वेस्ट लाइन. दिस विल हेल्प यू स्ट्रेंथन योर लेग्स, pelvic एरिया. वापस रिलैक्स. अपने पैरों को और वाइडन करेंगे. जो आपका राइट लेग है उसको 90 डिग्रीज में सामने करेंगे. जो हमारा लेफ्ट लेग है वो सामने की तरफ फेस करेगा. इनहेल करेंगे, हाथों को ऊपर लेकर जाएंगे. अपने पैरों को 90 डिग्रीज में फोल्ड करेंगे. हाथों को सामने रखेंगे और सीधा लेकर जाएंगे. जस्ट लुक एट योर फिंगर्स.
Be here for 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. एक्सेल करते हुए हाथों को नीचे लेकर आएंगे, वापस आएंगे धीरे से सामने। अपने पैरों को जो हमने राइट वाला 90 डिग्रीज में किया था उसको सामने लेकर जाएंगे। लेफ्ट लेग को सामने 90 डिग्रीज में मूव करेंगे। राइट लेग को इनहेल करते हुए राइट हैंड को ऊपर करेंगे। एक्सेल करते हुए लेफ्ट लेग को 90 डिग्रीज पे लेकर जाएंगे। अपने लेफ्ट हैंड को अपने फीट के आगे रखेंगे। चेस्ट को ऑन दी अदर साइड अपने हाथों को ऊपर लेकर जाएंगे। मेक श्योर जो आपका पेल्विक है वो पीछे की तरफ हो, हाथ ऊपर जाएंगे। आपकी जो नजरें हैं, यू शुड लुक एट योर फिंगर्स, जस्ट होल्ड इन दिस पोजीशन। आप देखेंगे कि आपका एक अच्छा सा स्ट्रेच बन रहा है। वेस्ट लाइन पे जो फैट है वो जाएगा, पेल्विक पे स्ट्रेंथ आएगा बिकॉज वी आर मूविंग द पेल्विक लाइक दिस। आप देखेंगे कि धीरे धीरे यू आर गेटिंग द गुड स्ट्रेंथ एट योर पेल्विक रीजन। वापस एक्सेल करते हुए कम बैक, रिलैक्स। We will be doing some sitting postures like this. Sitting, दंडासन, दंडासन से हम बटरफ्लाई पोस्चर करेंगे। बटरफ्लाई पोस्चर इज अगेन वेरी गुड फॉर द पेल्विक रीजन। ये हिप ओपनर भी है, इसको आप नीचे कर सकते हैं सो दैट योर आपकी फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी बढ़ जाए। मेक श्योर आप जितना कर सके उतना ही करें। अगर आपका पैर यहाँ तक भी आता है तो इट्स परफेक्टली ओके, बट मेक श्योर कि आपकी जो बैक है वो बिल्कुल स्ट्रेट है। व्हाट पीपल डू, वो ऐसे करके यू शुड नॉट फ्लप। इसको आपको बिल्कुल स्ट्रेट रखना है। आपका बैक जहां तक आप लेग्स ले जा सकते हैं वहां लेकर जाएंगे। सामने की तरफ देखेंगे और इनहेल करेंगे और एक्सहेल करेंगे। जस्ट कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन योर ब्रेथ, क्लोज योर आईज एंड जस्ट मूव योर लेग्स सो दैट आपका धीरे धीरे हिप्स ओपन हो जाए। अगर आप अपने आप नहीं कर पाते, यू कैन यूज योर हैंड्स एज वेल लाइक दिस। इनहेल, एक्सहेल and then hold at this position for 5 breath or 10 breath। धीरे धीरे इसको 30 seconds के लिए भी ले जा सकते हैं, 1 minute के लिए भी ले जा सकते हैं। You will see a good stretch। अगर आप मेरे साथ प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं तो आपको समझ में आ रहा होगा कि आपको कितना स्ट्रेच फील हो रहा है at the pelvic region। So it is this Badkonasana is really good for the pelvic strength, for the hip opening। So just hold at this position, exhale करते हुए रिलैक्स। इसको भी आप इस तरह कर सकते हैं, जितने देर होल्ड करें। नेक्स्ट आसन इसी में वेरिएशन करेंगे। बी एट दिस पोजीशन, इनहेल, एक्सहेल करते हुए सामने जाएंगे। ट्राई टू टच द फ्लोर। होल्ड दिस पोजीशन। व्हाइल गोइंग डाउन यू कैन जस्ट पुश योर एल्बोज टू द थाई सो दैट आपका ये उठे ना। सो जस्ट पुशिंग डाउन फ्रॉम दी आपके एल्बोज से, pushing down to the thighs and then go down, touch the ground, hold in this position, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1। इनहेल करते हुए वापस आएंगे। मेक श्योर इसमें गलती क्या करते हैं, आगे छूने के चक्कर में लोग क्या करते हैं, पूरा आगे ऐसे उठ जाते हैं। मेक श्योर आपकी जो हिप है वो ग्राउंड से टच रहेगी। और while going down, if you cannot go much, so just maintain that posture। यहाँ तक भी आ रहे हैं, it's perfectly okay। Look in front। अपनी गर्दन को नीचे नहीं करेंगे, अपनी गर्दन को स्पाइन से ही स्पाइन की पोजीशन पे ही रखेंगे। धीरे धीरे टेलबोन से आगे की तरफ झुकेंगे लाइक दिस। अगर आप यहाँ तक भी आ रहे हैं, it's perfectly okay। धीरे धीरे जब आप बटरफ्लाई करेंगे, you will see the flexibility of this area increases, there is a strength at the pelvic area। तो आप आगे धीरे धीरे अपने आप ही मुड़ने लगेंगे। सो नेक्स्ट पोस्चर हम लाइंग डाउन पोजीशन पे करेंगे, इसी का ही बदकोणासन करेंगे, सुप्त बदकोणासन। सेम बटरफ्लाई पोस्चर में आएंगे। बी एट दिस पोजीशन, अपने हाथों को कुशन की तरह रख के रात को भी आप सोने से पहले कर सकते हैं। यू विल सी कि आपको दिन भर की जितनी भी थकावट हुई है, इट गिव्स अ गुड स्ट्रेच टू द pelvic area, to the thighs। It's a very relaxing आसन। Just be at this position। Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale। Just concentrate on your breath। सांस भरेंगे तो अपना एब्डोमेन ऊपर जाएगा, श्वास छोड़ेंगे तो एब्डोमेन अंदर जाएगा। Just be at this position, feel the stretch, relax yourself and then release the posture slowly। अगेन एक मत्स्य आसन का वेरिएशन कर सकते हैं, इसमें ही आपने पद्मासन लगाना है, क्रॉस लेग्ड पोजीशन पे कर सकते हैं, एंड देन होल्ड योर टोज, या फिर आप इसको फिर उसी में ही, एंड देन बी एट दिस पोजीशन, रिलैक्स, अगेन कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन योर ब्रेथ, जस्ट लुक एट द ब्रेथ, श्वास अंदर जा रही है, श्वास बाहर आ रही है, जस्ट रिलैक्स योरसेल्फ, रिलैक्स, धीरे से इस पोजीशन को करेंगे। अब हम नेक्स्ट आसन करेंगे, वहीं से हम अपने एब्डोमेन में आ जाएंगे। सो ऑल दोस आसन्स वर अबाउट द पेल्विक स्ट्रेंथ। अब हम बात करेंगे पेल्विक स्ट्रेंथ के साथ साथ मूड स्विंग्स के बारे में भी। दिस अधमुख स्वान आसन करेंगे, डाउनवर्ड फेसिंग डॉग। इसमें हम ऐसे करके पहले इस तरह आएंगे, एंड देन टक योर टोज लाइक दिस, एंड देन यू कैन टक योर चिन एट द चेस्ट, और एल्स आप दोनों हाथों के बीच में अपने नजरों को रख सकते हैं। जस्ट बी इन दिस पोजीशन, यू विल सी आपको पूरा यहाँ पे स्ट्रेच आ रहा है, साथ ही साथ आपका हेड नीचे है, तो ब्लड सर्कुलेशन जो हमारा ब्लड फ्लो है इट्स टुवर्ड्स योर हेड। सो डॉक्टर चारू वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट द डिप्रेशन, हमारे को बहुत ज्यादा मूड स्विंग्स होते हैं, सो व्हेन द ब्लड सर्कुलेशन इज टुवर्ड्स योर हेड, it helps you relaxing your mind, relaxing yourself। साथ ही साथ ये हमारे जो फेस का जो हम बता रहे थे प्रॉब्लम होता है, रिंकल्स होते हैं और ग्लो चला जाता है, बाल जाते हैं, सो दिस रियली हेल्प्स। जस्ट बी इन दिस पोजीशन, एंड देन स्लोली अपने नीज को नीचे रखेंगे, रिलैक्स योरसेल्फ इन द चाइल्ड पोज। दिस आल्सो इज अ गुड रिलैक्सेशन, जस्ट बी लाइक अ चाइल्ड, जस्ट रिलैक्स योरसेल्फ, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale। make sure जब आप नीचे जाए तो आपके जो हिप है वो नीचे की तरफ है, इस तरह करके नहीं होना है। so just relax yourself, धीरे से इनहेल करते हुए ऊपर आएंगे। so next I would be, these are the few आसन जो आप रोज प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं, और आप देखेंगे कि there is lots of difference। आपको बहुत ही ज्यादा रिलीफ हो रहा है, फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी इंप्रूव हो रही है, साथ ही साथ आपके पेल्विक स्ट्रेंथ आ रही है। तो जो जो प्रॉब्लम्स डॉक्टर चारू ने बताई है, आई वोंट रिपीट इट, यू मस्ट हैव अटेंडेड दिस सेशन। तो जो जो चीजें बताई हैं उससे आपको देखेंगे डाइट एंड इस टाइप के आसन को फॉलो करेंगे तो आपको बहुत ही ज्यादा आराम मिलने वाला है। सो आई विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट दी जो आपको जल्दी से गुस्सा आने लगता है, इरिटेशन होती है, बहुत ज्यादा गर्मी लगने लगती है। सो आई विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट दी ऑल्टरनेट नॉस्ट्रिल। हम अनुलोम विलोम के बारे में बात करेंगे। इसमें क्या करना है, जस्ट सिट इन दी एनी कंफर्टेबल पोजीशन। आप जमीन पे नहीं बैठ पा रहे हैं तो यू कैन सिट ऑन द चेयर, ऑन योर बेड। इसमें जस्ट रिलैक्स योरसेल्फ। एक हाथ में ज्ञान मुद्रा ध्यान मुद्रा लगाएंगे जिसमें विष्णु मुद्रा, फर्स्ट फिंगर एंड सेकंड फिंगर आपको ऐसे करना है। थंब से और रिंग फिंगर से हम लोग नॉस्ट्रिल क्लोज करेंगे, राइट नॉस्ट्रिल को बंद करेंगे, लेफ्ट से इनहेल करेंगे, दोनों को क्लोज करेंगे और राइट से एक्सहेल करेंगे, राइट से इनहेल करेंगे, दोनों को बंद करेंगे और लेफ्ट से एक्सहेल करेंगे, एंड देन लेफ्ट से वापस इनहेल करेंगे और राइट से एक्सहेल करेंगे। दिस इज द साइकिल, एंड राइट से वापस फिर लेफ्ट से, दिस इज वन साइकिल। तो उसको आप काउंट के साथ कर सकते हैं। जब आप इनहेल कर रहे हैं लेफ्ट से तो यू कैन काउंट, अगर आप 5 तक इनहेल करते हैं then you can exhale in 5 time। exhale करेंगे फिर inhale करेंगे राइट से 1 2 3, I'll just show you 1 2 3 4 5। exhale करेंगे 1 2 3 4 5, राइट से inhale करेंगे 1 2 3 4 5, exhale करेंगे 1 2 3 4 5। ये हमारा 1 साइकिल है। So you can do it for 10 cycles, you can do it for 5 minutes and 10 minutes। It's really very good for the depression, stress। ये हमारे बॉडी को बैलेंस करता है बिकॉज ये हमारे दोनों राइट ब्रेन एंड लेफ्ट ब्रेन को मैनेज करता है। और अगर आपको बहुत ज्यादा गर्मी लग रही है उसके इंस्टेंट रिलीफ करने के लिए, बिकॉज हमारा लेफ्ट साइड इज कॉल्ड चंद्र वेदन प्राणायाम कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज लेफ्ट इज चंद्र से नाड़ी से रिलेटेड एंड राइट इज सूर्य नाड़ी से। तो हम राइट नॉस्ट्रिल को क्लोज करेंगे, लेफ्ट से इनहेल करेंगे। जब आपको हॉट फ्लशेस हो यू कैन जस्ट डू इट, इसमें खाने पीने का कोई टेंशन नहीं होता है, आप कभी भी कर सकते हैं। तो आपने इनहेल करना है लेफ्ट से एक्सेल करना है राइट से, फिर लेफ्ट से इनहेल करना है और राइट से एक्सेल करना है। इसको आप 5 to 10 साइकिल्स करेंगे, 5 मिनट्स तक करेंगे, आप देखेंगे जो आपको गर्मी लग रही है वो तुरंत से ठीक हो गई है, और जो आपको गुस्सा आ रहा था, इरिटेशन हो रही थी, वो भी रिलीफ हो गया है। सो आई एम श्योर आप इसकी प्रैक्टिस करेंगे एंड यू विल टेक द बेनिफिट। ओम नमः शिवाय, थैंक यू सो मच।
All, we need to ask some questions. We can ask Dr. Charu, Pooja, and myself. You can ask some questions. We have some 7-8 minutes here, and then we'll come back again for tarot card reading. Every one of you can ask a question for yourself or your family, or anything you want to ask. You can ask Rituji about it. So we'll come back after 7 minutes. You have 7 minutes to ask questions. डॉक्टर चारू, तो एक क्वेश्चन मेरे पास में आज किसी ने भेजा था व्हाट्सएप पे कि इवन ड्यूरिंग आफ्टर मेनोपॉज they have seen that many people conceive, so they need to use contraceptives even during that period when they are going through that phase of menopause?
Yes, in the perimenopausal period, definitely, because एक term होती है aberrant ovulation. Means कभी भी, because the cycles menstrual become so distorted, कभी भी in cases में there is aberrant ovulation, पता नहीं चलता कब egg release हो जाता है। तो aberrant ovulation हो जाता है क्योंकि कोई hormonal balance नहीं है, but suddenly because of some release of hormone, egg release हो सकता है। So this is very, very uncommon, but yes, we have conceiving naturally around late 48. We have seen cases. So under menopause, please continue to take use of contraceptive devices. If you don't have any question, I would like to add a few more things. Let's utilize the time.
Yeah,
I want to clear a few things regarding, so that you ensure that you really get good calcium. See, agar aap log see, if you have hyperacidity problem and you are taking tablets like omeprazole, and so your acid content goes down. So in that case, please ensure that you are taking the CCM form of calcium, calcium citrate maleate, right? And अगर आपने डाइट में किसी पर्टिकुलर मील में बहुत अच्छे से आपने दूध, दही और कैल्शियम लेडन फूड लिया है, तो प्लीज डोंट टेक योर कैल्शियम टैबलेट अलोंग विद दैट मील, बिकॉज एक्सेस ऑफ कैल्शियम हो जाता है तो वो एक्सक्रीट हो जाता है, दैट बिकम्स अ वीक, राइट?
एक पॉइंट ऐड कर दूं यहाँ पर, आई ट्राई टू आयरन भी उस सेम मील में अगर ना लें तो अच्छा है, बिकॉज दे विल कंपीट फॉर एब्जॉर्प्शन. सो इट इज गुड दैट कैल्शियम और आयरन दोनों अलग अलग लिए जाएं, नॉट इन द सेम मील.
Yes, yes. And one more thing, see, if you are fond of taking coffee with milk, like बहुत से लोग दूध पीना चाहते हैं तो full milk में they add coffee, so that is just not a combination, because again caffeine will hinder the calcium absorption, so the purpose is defeated. So you can't on that calcium from the...
People have a high BP problem, they'll again have a problem with coffee there, and acidity and bloating also. Me not pause is excellent way to remind us. Pooja, thanks for teaching us good poses.
Yes, definitely. And see, those exercises is one thing which every female should start doing in her late 30s, right? Because pelvic strengthening is very, very important.
Rituji will be talking about tarot cards, and she'll also be giving a chanting mantra. So she will only tell about all those things. Over to Rituji.
Yeah, so good evening and happy Women's Day to everyone. अभी जैसे सबने अपना अपना टिप दिया है, so I would just start with one tip for people or for females who have menstruation problems. So they can just try this tip and let's see what happens, but at least you have to try first. So I would be telling you about this tip. Whosoever is having the problem in menstruation, so what they can do is, you can just take a piece of ginger, adrak ka ek tukda lijiye, and chant this mantra 7 times on that piece of ginger. Mantra is, let the mantra come, then I'll just read for you. Take a ginger piece, this much is enough, and you have to chant this mantra 7 times over that ginger piece, and after that you have to eat that ginger piece. So it would like regulate your menstruation cycle. And I would just, I'll just chant this mantra. It's Om Namo Adesh Mansa Mataka बदी बदी अदरक पतली पतली रेश बदे विष की जल फांसी दे शेष गुरु का वचन न जाए खाली पिया पिंड पंच मुंडगे बाम पथेली विष हरि राय की दुहाई. इट्स अ इंडियन मंत्रा. सो आप क्या करिए, इसको चैंट कीजिए ओवर अ पीस ऑफ जिंजर एंड जस्ट हैव इट, एंड यू कैन सी हाउ योर menstruation problem just gets off. This you have to recite every month. In case आपका menstruation cycle proper नहीं आ रहा है, so you can just chant it every month, once in every month, and you can see how like result come to you. Once in a month करना है, एक बार chant करना है 7 times अदरक के ऊपर. You have to have that अदरक का piece. बस एक बार 1 महीने में ही करना है आपको. So for weight loss, as I said, in females because of this lockdown and COVID period, weight loss also have this impact on your menstruation. So you can just take a carnelian crystal, you anoint it with ginger oil and just rub anti-clockwise on the fat area of your body. This you have to do. So I would be sharing on chat also this crystal and the ginger oil thing. So it is saved and you can just save it later on. So now I would be ready for the tarot session. Tarot, what tarot is? Tarot is a divination tool. It helps you give answers for your future, for your past, for your present. And I am not giving you an answer. I'm just acting as a divine medium right now. And I would be invoking my guardian angels. I would be invoking your guardian angels. So they would be giving me an answer and I'll be transferring that to you. So if anyone wants to know something, they can just put it on chat so I can read and give you an answer.
How many times you have to rub this crystal?
See, it is not like times. You just rub it for a few times on your fat area. And one thing to be remembered. You have to put that thing in salt water, then again use it. ऐसा नहीं है कि continuously use किए जा रहे हैं. Put it in salt water, फिर से थोड़ा सा anoint किया and just rub it anti-clockwise. That way. So I would be waiting for questions to come.
Anybody from the group? मेरा नी पेन है और मेरे को चलने में बहुत इशू है और चलने में भी अपना ट्रीटमेंट कर रही हूँ. मुझे कब तक रिलीफ होगा और क्या ये ट्रीटमेंट ही कंटिन्यू करना है? दिस इज फ्रॉम अंशु सेठी.
अंशु सेठी का क्या क्वेश्चन है मैम? प्लीज रिपीट.
नी प्रॉब्लम है और चलने में भी बहुत इशू है. तो
अच्छा, एक मिनट, स्टॉप हियर. पहले आई वुड टेल यू, जस्ट राइट ऑन अ पीस ऑफ पेपर. आपके नी में जहां भी पेन है, आप क्या करिए, अपना हाथ रखिए and just chant Athena, A-T-H-E-N-A, Athena, pain be gone. It's a very powerful chanting for your pain relief. So I think I should tell you this first. आप ये करिए, you'll see wonders. Athena, pain be gone. Ma'am, I'll just open my chat.
जी.
So मेरा नी पेन है, मेरे को चलने में बहुत इशू है एंड चलने में अपना ट्रीटमेंट
कर रही,
चलने में अपना ट्रीटमेंट करा रहे हैं. मुझे कब तक इट्स चेन्नई और चलने व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इट इज?
मुझे चलने में प्रॉब्लम है और बहुत इशू है और चलने में भी अपना ट्रीटमेंट करा रही हूँ. चलने में अपना ट्रीटमेंट करा रही हूँ और मुझे कब तक रिलीफ होगा और क्या?
Name? What's her name?
Anshu Sethi, and she is क्या यही ट्रीटमेंट करूं?
एक मिनट,
She has knee pain and she cannot walk much.
wait, let me see. मैम नी पेन ठीक होना थोड़ा मुश्किल है इनका. I think
Doctor
उनको
has
अपना
asked for knee replacement also, she has written.
हाँ उनको ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम है, that's what I'm saying. तो उनको I think आपको अथीना पेन बी गॉन का chanting she should use, और I can tell her whether उनका ऑपरेशन होगा कि नहीं. I think this is a correct way of answering कि इनका नी का ऑपरेशन या रिप्लेसमेंट होगा कि नहीं.
She doesn't want to undergo the replacement therapy and she wants some alternative medication.
Alternative medication, okay. See, alternative medication, you can go for healings. What other? And I have given you a chant, you can chant this. People have seen wonderful results with this Athena pain be gone. So I think first you try this. Huh?
I have written that down in the chat also, Athena pain be gone.
So you can just try this. Don't be just in a hurry कि मैं operation अभी करा लूं. Yeah, I can answer you कि operation होगा कि नहीं. Okay. इसमें चला दो उसमें. इनका जल्दी ऑपरेशन होगा ना. yes, I mean I think ऑपरेशन इनका जल्दी ही होगा.
Anybody else in the audience wants to ask a question? Please unmute yourself and you can ask that way also. You don't want to type, it is all right. Unmute yourself and ask the question, please. You know, we all go out and pay so much to ask something to a tarot card reader. You can ask whatever you want to hear for free. Please come out with some questions.
Can I ask a question for somebody else also?
Yeah, you can ask anything.
Okay. Okay. I have a patient who has unfortunately lost her son, 19-year-old son, and now he desperately wants, she's almost 45 years of age, and she's very desperate to have one more baby now. She wants her son to come back. So I'm doing my best, and I'm actually praying a lot for her. So any idea? Can you?
Can I have her name?
Poonam.
Poonam, full name?
Full name, yeah.
See, in tarot, you have to tell me full name. This is the principle of tarot.
I don't just write the first name. I don't remember first name. So Poonam is the name. So I don't know. So I just thought of asking. So
You can
anyway,
just ask me later on. There is no issue.
Okay.
But I need full name. You know, this is like one of the principles of tarot.
Okay.
Rituji, I'll ask a question on behalf of my sister. I have a younger sister. Her name is Vinita Khattar. Okay. Actually, she writes Vinita Chaudhary Khattar. Okay. So she is undergoing a lot of problems. She's having a lot of headaches. Every day she gets up with a headache, vomiting, and all kind of problems. And she's very stressed out. Actually, I think we are all type A personality and we stress out very fast. But then she is at present very stressed out. So I want to know how she can, how fast she will be relieved and what course of action she should take, because she has been taking all kinds of Medicines, not as such, just symptomatic relief. She is taking painkiller and all that. Vomitings होने लगती हैं. She starts having those migraine type of things. I don't know, but lately बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया है. Every second day she has that headache.
तो मैम आपको पूछना क्या है कि she'll be fine?
How fast she'll be cured? अगर कुछ और करना चाहिए.
Let me see कि ठीक होना होगा कि नहीं, पहले तो यही बात है ना.
जी.
What's her name?
Vinita Chaudhary Khattar.
Okay. Ma'am, does she have wrong eating habits?
She is very careful. She is a yoga. She has been doing yoga. She's a yoga teacher, but she has not been doing it.
She's not doing it.
And wrong eating habits, मतलब she can't eat only. बचपन से ही she is a one.
No, wrong habits means जो चीज जब खानी चाहिए, she has to eat that way, you know that.
She is very careful, very careful.
Okay. See, उनका मेरे को लग रहा है अभी तो it's dicey कि ठीक होना कि एकदम ठीक हो जाएगा. It's not that way. I would not say कि हाँ near future में she'll be fine. ऐसा नहीं लग रहा है मेरे को.
नहीं.
She can contact me for some tips. I have those vomiting headaches का भी ना. So I can tell her what to do.
ठीक है.
क्योंकि कभी-कभी क्या होता है energy level पर भी ना you're surrounded with the wrong energy या कहते हैं ना कोई चीज energy wise आपकी ठीक नहीं है.
अच्छा.
You know, you get into some. So you can tell her to contact me. But ऐसे near future में I don't think so कि अब इसको उनको ठीक हो जाएगा. ऐसा लग नहीं रहा.
I'll tell her to speak with you. There is one question from Divya. My husband wants to go abroad and study and do job there only. He has applied to different colleges. Will he get admission and settle abroad? Divya, we need a full name for that.
And where he wants to go?
Where he wants to go. Till then, I'll take another from Sonal Agarwal. She's messaging that she wants to sell a flat in Delhi. कब तक हो पाएगा?
I can answer
Agarwal.
Poonam Soni.
Sonam.
Yes.
Sorry, Sonam Agarwal name.
अच्छा, सोनल अग्रवाल का फ्लैट कब तक सेल हो जाएगा?
हाँ जी.
आज का फ्लैट कहाँ पर है?
Delhi. She has written in Delhi. Sonal, where exactly in Delhi?
Just give me some address, give me some place where in Delhi. सोनम अग्रवाल का फ्लैट दिल्ली में कहाँ पर है बताइए?
तो जी वेस्ट दिल्ली में है, नियर नवादा.
So वेस्ट दिल्ली देख सकते हैं, नियर नवादा.
हाँ, सोनल अग्रवाल, मोहन गार्डन you can write.
Okay, मोहन गार्डन.
She is presently in Bangalore. She wants to sell her flat in Delhi.
मैम अभी तो फ्लैट सेल होना ही मुश्किल है, तो कब तक होगा कि तो बात ही अलग है.
But there is one more correction from Anshu Sethi.
6 months तो एटलीस्ट उनको अभी रुकना चाहिए. कोई मेरे को चांसेस नहीं लग रहे हैं 6 months तक तो.
Okay, there was some typing issue. The question got misspelled, Rituji.
What?
Anshu Sethi asked for her knee treatment. So
Yes, I gave her a chance.
She told for knee treatment only. The
Actually,
second question that
she wanted to ask, she don't want to undergo operation. She want alternative treatment. So
alternative, that's what I told her. Alternative treatment is her healings and chant which I gave her.
Yes,
you can
yes,
get healings done from me or from Sanjay. You know, you have to try healings and believe in healings. They work miracles and wonders, I would say.
She don't want operation actually. It was misspelled, mistyped.
That's what I'm saying. She should go for healings. Alternative therapy to healing hi hoga.
Anji.
And she can do a chant. She can try this chant for at least 15 days. Unko kya farak aata hai? If she feels good, then she should go for healings.
रितु जी, एक था जो बाहर जाना चाहते हैं, यूके जाना चाहते हैं, गौरव सरपाल नाम है, और वो यूके जाना चाहते हैं पढ़ने के लिए एंड जॉब करने के लिए. ही हैज अप्लाइड इन यूके. विल ही गेट एडमिशन एंड सेटल अब्रॉड?
Okay. Gaurav Sarpal, right?
गौरव सरपाल जी. मैंने बीच में देख लिया, मेरा बीच में
Yes, वो 100% जाएंगे. No issue at all.
Okay. I have another question. It is from Sapna Chaprana. My son has appeared in 10th board this time. Will he get the desirable percentage? His name is Yash Chaprana, and also whether he will be able to follow his favorable career.
See, I can answer one thing.
Okay.
Whether he'll get his desirable marks. Okay.
Okay.
So what is the mother's name?
Sapna Chaprana, and the son's name is
And-
Yash Chaprana.
Okay. उनके डिजायरेबल मार्क्स आएंगे. आई थिंक ही वुड बी एबल टू बैलेंस एवरीथिंग. उनका एग्जाम मतलब ही इज अ गुड स्टूडेंट. ही नोज हाउ टू बैलेंस थिंग्स. और उसके मार्क्स भी जितना वो चाहता है उतने आ जाएंगे. So no issue at all in this case.
There's hands up from Sanju Lakhotia. Please
हाँ, रीतू
ask your, Sanju ji, please ask your question.
हाँ रीतू दीदी, मैं ये बोलना चाह रही थी, एक्चुअली मेरी सिस्टर के एंड्रॉइड फोन नहीं है, तो वो अपने बेटे के लिए मेरे को पूछने के लिए बोली है. उनके
Okay.
बेटा डीजे का क्लास किया है, बट अभी तक कोई सेटिंग नहीं हो पा रहा है उनका, कोई जॉब को लेके या खुद का बिजनेस भी है उसमें भी वो सेट नहीं हो पा रहा है. मुकुंद मोहता
डीजे
उसका
का
नाम
जॉब.
है.
डीजे.
हेलो.
डीजे. आप डीजे बोल रहे हैं ना?
हाँ हाँ हाँ, उसने डीजे का कोर्स किया है और
Okay.
घर का बिजनेस है, बट वो अभी तक डिसाइड नहीं कर पा रहा कि वो क्या करे.
तो आप ये पूछना चाह रहे हैं कि उसको डीजे का करना चाहिए या घर का बिजनेस करना चाहिए?
हाँ.
तो आपका नाम क्या है? संजू लकोटिया. और उस बच्चे का नाम बताइए.
मुकुंद मोहता.
मुकुंद मोहता. और उसका बिजनेस क्या है? फैमिली बिजनेस?
उनके है मतलब कपड़ों का काम है.
अच्छा, मुकुंद मोहता. और आपका नाम है संजू
लखोटिया.
ओके. मुझे तो अभी दोनों ही होते हुए नजर नहीं आ रहे हैं.
तो क्या करना चाहिए उसको? अभी घर पे ही है एक्चुअली बैठा हुआ, बहुत टाइम हो गया.
हाँ, तो वो नहीं कर पाएगा. अभी दिख ही नहीं रहा है कि दोनों होते हुए दिख ही नहीं रहे हैं. वो घर में है तभी नहीं हो रहे ना. हो ही नहीं रहा. मुझे नहीं लग रहा अभी दोनों होने वाले हैं अभी.
Ritu ji, one question. Sorry.
Yeah.
One question
Ritu
from
Didi.
Sanya Bhatia. My daughter
Yeah.
Sanya Bhatia is studying in class 12th. She is confused to decide about her career. Please suggest.
Sanya Bhatia is the daughter
Sanya Bhatia
And
is the daughter.
and mother.
सान्या भाटिया ही लिखा हुआ है उनके उस पे लिखा my daughter Sanya Bhatia is, I think she joined from her daughter's account.
Okay. Just ask her name.
Could you please tell your name, Sanya Bhatia's mother?
Yes, ma'am. Pinky Bhatia.
Pinky Bhatia.
उसको क्या करियर चूज करना है ये आप मेरे से पूछ रहे हैं ना?
हाँ जी.
Yes, ma'am.
I think उसको कोई मैनेजर टाइप का होता है ना, like a job where you know she can sit with authority and she works. Something उसको ऐसा ही कुछ करना चाहिए. Like कोई पोस्ट होता है ना, मैनेजर का पोस्ट है. Something like that. Authoritative post in some company. वो वैसे करना क्या चाहती हैं?
MBA. She wrote MBA, Ritu ji.
She can, you know,
She wants to
उसको मैनेजर टाइप की कोई जॉब में, you know, she can do wonders. authoritative job होती है, she can pursue that.
Ritu ji, we have one last question for you from Pooja Sethi. She says, my brother has started his new business. Will it be successful? He has started the business of medicines and his name is Amit Sethi.
Okay. His medicine business, right?
Yes, yes, Ayurvedic medicine.
Amit Sethi, right?
Yes.
Ayurvedic medicine.
हम अमित से जाके पूछ के आएंगे.
पूजा, मेरे को लग रहा है ये बिजनेस थोड़ा ठीक नहीं चल रहा है इसका.
हाँ जी.
और ठीक चलेगा भी नहीं बिकॉज वेरी बैड कार्ड. आयुर्वेद का तो.
So business.
I mean, it's not good business for him right now. अभी तो यही शो कर रहा है.
Okay, so need to change the other thing. Okay. Thank
So
you.
you need not change. You know, यही तो बात है ना. अब इसको कैसे करेक्ट करना है. हर चीज शुरू करके और वो नहीं चल रही है तो हम उसको छोड़ नहीं देते हैं. उसको कैसे करेक्ट करना है ना, ये आगे की कहानी होती है. और या आपको कुछ और
Okay.
परस्यू करना है, दैट्स अ डिफरेंट थिंग. बट ये तो मुझे लग नहीं रहा है कि नॉट अ गुड बिजनेस फॉर हिम.
So we can correct.
यू कैन टॉक टू मी. मतलब मैं ये बता सकती हूँ कि अभी तो इसके लिए ये बिजनेस मुझे ठीक नहीं लग रहा है. काफी
Sure,
खराब.
sure.
जिसको
Thank
बोलते हैं ना, काफी खराब वाली बात लगती है.
Thank you.
Thank